Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Marvel Rivals login error code 4. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can often cause connection issues. Next, try restarting both your Marvel Rivals game client and your gaming platform, whether it's Steam or another launcher. Finally, always check the official Marvel Rivals social media or website for any server maintenance or outages that might be affecting your login. If the initial steps don't work, let's dive into network troubleshooting. A simple yet effective step is to power cycle your router and modem, unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Also, temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus software, as these can sometimes block game connections. For a more stable connection, consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. Corrupted game files or outdated software can also cause login problems. Use your game launcher, like Steam, to verify the integrity of your Marvel Rivals game files. This process can take a few minutes. Make sure your game client is updated to the very latest version, as developers frequently release patches. Additionally, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for optimal performance and compatibility. For more advanced troubleshooting, you can try flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address through your computer's command prompt. Another option is to change your DNS server to a public one, such as Google DNS, which can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. If all else fails, gather all the details about your problem and contact Marvel Rivals official support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.